In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play multiplayer in Ultra Kill. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, Ultra Kill is primarily a single player game. However, by using a specific mod, you will be able to do multiplayer lobbies. So, to set this up, you will need three main things: BAP-in EX Pack, Jacket, and then Ultra Mod Manager. It doesn't have to be this one specifically, but you will need a mod manager to set up and use Jacket. So Jacket is the actual multiplayer mod, and BAP-in Packs is essentially going to be a dependency that the mod relies on. So you can find two of these on Thunderstore, so look for Thunderstore, Ultra Kill, and then BAP-in EX Pack and Jacket. And for the Ultra Kill mod manager, you can go over to GitHub. If you go over to the Jacket page, you will notice that they also recommend a different one, R2 Modman. Again, you can choose whichever one you prefer. So all that you have to do is choose the option to download any of these mods. If you have the mod manager from Thunderstore, you can also use those instead, but I'm going to show you how to do all of this with the manual download. So essentially, it all comes down to extracting these files inside of the zip that you download into the Ultra Kill Games folder. So you can right-click Ultra Kill on your library and choose the option to browse through the game files, or alternatively go over to Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and Ultra Kill. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is drag and drop the BAP-in Packs EX Pack folder. So open this folder and then drag and drop BAP-in EX into the Ultra Kill folder. Once you have BAP-in EX inside of Ultra Kill, you will have the plugins folder, and this is important. So now download the mod manager from GitHub by choosing the releases here at the right side of the screen and then downloading the zip. Then drag the UMM folder inside of plugins and then manually create a new folder titled mods or UMM mods inside of BAP-in EX. So once you have it set up like this, you can now download Jacket and drag and drop Jacket inside of UMM mods. So inside of this mods folder, create a new folder titled Jacket, which is the mod for multiplayer, and then you will have all of the files referring to the Jacket mod. So now once you open the game, you should see it available here. Take this option if needed on the mods category, and now when you create a lobby and you pause, you will see the invite friend option. So with all of that said, if this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.